Oh, precious, precious love. Alright. I was lost and alone. What up, squad? Let's just get some music on. And let's get this sorted. Morning, everyone. It is a Friday. It's Friday then. Saturday, Sunday. What? It's Friday then. Alright, let's get this up. Move it down. There we go. Tell me if the music's okay. I think that's a perfect level for me. Turn that down a bit on the headphones. Okay, morning everyone. Welcome to the Friday live stream. Gonna wait for people to fill in. I'll just say we're live and all that good stuff on Instagram. Welcome early morning people. Damn. We are now live. Make sure to join the fun today for a lovely Friday live stream. Let's go. So yeah, I'm back at home now. I've got a proper setup again. Let's see my camera. Oh, I don't like that coat hanger there. That looks like shit. Maybe like, can I put it there? Okay, cool, wicked. So welcome everyone. Morning. Good morning everyone. Where's this chat rate? Why can't I see the fucking chat? Here we go. Smooth backdrop. Thank you very much. So, welcome guys. This is the Friday live stream and we're going to be doing what we always do. First thing we do, guys, is we check. We check for the news. And as you can see here, the news is amazing. You can see it is all good. For the news. Okay, so there's no news, so we are really good on that perspective. Okay, the next thing we need to really talk about. Wait, is this in the way? Oh no. Wow. Hello AM. Hello Kim. Hello Cairo. Hello Asba. Hello Chishar. Welcome to join. Welcome for the live stream. So we can see there's no news, so that's good. Now let's head over to TradingView. If you've got any charts, guys, make sure to just send them in. But we're going to do our analysis as usual. Ooh, okay. So let's start on the daily time frame over here, guys. And this is what we do every single morning. From scratch, we know how it works now. So, we put a line on the daily flip, okay? And then let's name this daily flip. We'll do this like this. So this is the daily flip. Let's see if pretty sure I sent the invite in the other waiting room. 1 second here. Oh yeah, I did. Cool. Okay, wicked. So yeah, we're going for the daily flip here, which is good. So at the moment we are bearish, okay, but it's made a long wick already. Has exceeded the low of the previous, and the last one was pretty bearish. Ooh, we got a new subscriber. Welcome, Payman, for subscribing. Thank you very much. So let's have a look at the 4 hour here. We can see that our 4 hour flip is down at this point. Okay, that ain't too bad at all. And this is called the 4 hour flip. So basic terminology to keep our time frames aligned. Oh wow, we are 1 second here. 4 hour flip. Okay, wow, we are pushing heavily now. Fuck, how much did that just rinse? Damn. Okay. Wow, we are coming. Oh shit, move. Okay, so we are actually made some really good bullish movements from 6 AM. We're coming up here, and what we're going to be looking for. So we can see that we are going to be tapping this resistance soon. This one right here. So, and this will also be the daily flip. So at the moment, the higher time frame, so you can see the daily and the 4-hour are contradicting. The 4-hour is bullish as we are above this line, and the daily is bearish because we are below this line. So when they start to flip and turn onto the right time frame, so if this daily flips and price starts to close above this region, this will be really good for buyers at that point. And then targets, we'll look for filling these wicks right here. So I was looking at these wicks here, and then these highs as well. So let's see if that's enough volume here. If that's enough. Okay, it's just about 10 pips. Let's do here. So how many pips is this? So if you do start coming up here, we could have a stop loss break even somewhere around this area, so it doesn't really matter. But that's really good volume coming in. Damn. Okay, so we have a certain resistance at this point. Let's just make this zone here. So this is resistance. Okay, it's also the daily flip, but I'm wanting this resistance to be broken with a closure, preferably at 8 o'clock. So we'll have to see. You know, this candle at the moment could be doing this. It could just run off quite quickly, or it could, you know, take its time, maybe make support on one of them like this. Should come down. Come down. And then this starts running off, so we start getting some then power again at 8 o'clock. And then another one, 8 o'clock. You maybe go for the closure, or if it's 8 o'clock, you could get a buy stop above the zone. So we'll have to wait until price forms it. But yeah, morning everyone. I'm in a buy. Well, what did you get into? Send me a chart. I'll see where you got into. Make sure to like the stream, guys. This is Friday, and this is dedicated people. Normally Friday is quite quiet, so welcome. So yeah, buys above the zone. I'm going to be looking for. So buys above. Buys above 158.20. I know you want a closure. Preferably if price starts coming up here and closes close, and then we make a lower wick and then start flipping like yesterday, then I'll be happily entering a buy as well. The only issue I have is the zone to fill up here isn't that big, but I do expect if price has volume just like this did here, we can break above. And in that case, we could actually come back up to these highs. That's where it ran. There's also a support here, so I'll probably see it around this zone here. So we do have some volume. Let's just have a look at the weekly as well. I want to look at the weekly, see where we're heading. Ooh, yeah, we're bearish. But let's have a look here. Yeah, reacted really solid on this support again. Like I said ages ago. So yeah, we're just waiting for buys really above this zone I'll be looking for. Just like mirroring these candles here to the left. Want similar structure. So yeah, wow, 28 viewers already in the stream, amazing. Who has taken any trades? Let's have a look at Discord, see if anyone sent this a chart. Is Antonio in here? Wow, we've got a lot of people in the Zoom as well. What up, bro? How you doing?
Chilling, man.
Good stuff. Yeah, do you agree with this? Buys above 158.20.
Yeah, I agree, because that would be also the daily flip.
Yeah.
4 hours already bullish. Yeah, buys for me.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. We're reacting off these lows again, so I think that's a really good opportunity. The only issue is that these little wicks, but I mean, at the points that they come to here, my stops will break even anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, Sarthak is in a. Oh no, Kelsey is in a GA sell. Oh, Kelsey, send me a chart. I want to see that. A GA sell. Okay. So let's have a look at gold here. We'll see if gold has got anything. I know yesterday we were waiting for the lows to be. Where was that? The lows to be formed. Where was that? Was it here? Yeah. Try to bake these lows here. Got a candle wicked down That was a little trade though. But I saw Connor yesterday getting some buys over here. Jesus Christ, I'm allergic to something in here. Ooh, I think it was 30-minute more. Yeah, I think like this closure here. Wait for the low wick and then PAM. Strong bullish, but there was some rejections here, so it wasn't the cleanest. But it looks like gold now is starting to fly. And the daily is coming up to the daily and the 4-hour resistance at this point. So let's start from fresh here, guys. Bless you. Innit? What the fuck? Oh, shut up with these ads, bro. Yeah, okay, good shit. Okay, so daily flip is here, right here at this point. Okay, so we are very strongly bullish. We have the 4-hour. Now, for people looking at buys, oh my god, look at this. What's really weird about gold today? Someone tell me in the YouTube. I'm putting them out here. A lot of 4-hour candles don't have bottom wicks. Damn. Which is quite rare, to be honest. So what we're looking for really is to make this low wick, because even though recently there's been top wicks, no bottom wicks, we need to keep with it. So weird for you. There's no wicks. Yeah, there's no wicks. It's mad. But what am I really looking for? Well, to be honest, I'm looking for buys above the highs again, so at 1807. Because we have a little resistance here, and it'll be a bit choppy to get there. But it's only 15 pips. So preferably, I'm going to be looking for buys above this zone here, 1807.87. Do this. Buys above. Yep. And these would be solid buys. And look, this is how we look for targets. So we look left for targets here. So if you do break these highs over here and exceed these highs, which is also resistance, so you can do this. Look, you see that this was also kind of resistance here and here. If you do break up, we have a certain resistance at this point. So this is the range I'd be looking for. 1 second. So there. So if we do start exceeding these highs and start to push up, we are going to be filling this range right here, and this is 60 pips. So really good potential for buys at this point. All time frames are bullish. The only issue is that the 4-hour doesn't have a bottom wick. Therefore, we know most times it's going to make a bottom wick. So hopefully in 3 hours time, in these 3-hour times, you should be making a bottom wick at this point, really. Let's have a look at some questions here. So wait for you. I got in on that 1794.25. Oh wow, 1794. Wow, you get in early, bro. Is this Asian? Fucking hell, Asian push. Damn. So there's like a little resistance here. Pushed past that. Wow, amazing. Let's have a look here. Hey bro, very good morning. I saw your entry video on YouTube and that was lit. But the problem which I've been facing while using it, let's say I'm entering in a buy after the candle flips bullish, then it sometimes again goes bearish after getting me in, lol. How can I avoid this stuff? Yeah, so that's obviously that's one of the drawdowns, but mainly if it's flipping quite a lot, you know, have your entry maybe at the high or closer to the high. Just give it a bit more room, not just like at the exact flip. Normally I do it maybe like 1 or 2 pips a bit further. Look on the 5-minute to see if it breaks above a certain resistance, and then you'll be good. Because yeah, sometimes if you get in a bit too early on the flip, it'll flip back and it'll be a bit annoying. So waiting a bit longer can be good for that, for sure. Make sure to like the stream, guys, if you're enjoying the content. So yeah. Gold buys above here. Sells, you can't really look for sells because we're so bullish. So sells I'm not even going to play in, but sells will probably be preferably down here, where in all time frames, higher time frames are bearish. So yeah, lovely. Let's have a look at GJ still. But I still think there's good potential. The only issue is that the daily is bearish, which is annoying. But as we get up to here, we should be flying. and basically mirror this move again, which is nice. Will you be taking fundamentals into account, considering that there is a lot going on with the US and Afghanistan? Yeah, I mean, you can, there's no point trying to, explain like the markets. But look, I mean, if there's bad stuff going on in Afghanistan, it's gonna make gold bullish, isn't it? But saying that, you can see that anyway. It's always bullish. Like look how bullish it is right now. Look how bullish it was here. We came all the way down, and it's just coming all the way back up. When we exceed these highs here, we're going to be flying. So like just thinking, yeah, like where we're going. But for example, if this was Afghanistan and stuff, and that was happening, these candles are printing red, printing bearish, then sells are still valid. There's no point trying to guess it when the candles are printing the opposite way. So try and remember that. I used to try and do it when I was younger. Try and like go, oh well, Boris Johnson's done this. Well, not Boris. Whoever's the prime minister at the time, maybe like Theresa May or something. Or David Cameron. David Cameron's done this. It means the pound's gonna be fucking weak because he's being a dickhead, and it never really happened like that. So try and take them fundamentals kind of out, because there's no point. It's about the candles. If the candles aren't printing that way, no matter how much you think it's gonna go up or down, it ain't. So wow, 39 viewers already. We're growing so nicely this week. But yeah, buys above here are going to be solid. So in a minute's time, we're going to get a closure, another bullish closure. And then 16 minutes time, I'm really wanting this candle here to do this, close like this. Round about this area. Then the next one can open, make a bottom wick, start exceeding, make a flip, and then there we go. Clean candles to the left, can you see here? So clean candles right here and here. So really good zone to be getting trades in. It'll be very quick, and also the runners will be doing good well as well. So lots of potential for these buys right here. We'll look at GU as well, just to give you a little rundown. Kelsey said you're in GA, so yeah, make sure you send some charts in if you guys have got any charts. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And tell me how you found my channel. Really enjoy that kind of stuff. Yeah. So we start again. We do the easy stuff, the flips. This yellow, and the 4 hour. Ooh, okay. Oh no, sorry, it's not here. Okay, GU's looking good. Okay. So what you can see here from the 4 hour is we are coming towards the support right here. So if you do get a closure, this is going to be looking nice. So we draw a line over here. This is the low, okay? If you do get a close below this support, you're going to be looking good for sells, okay? And let's have a look at targets. Yeah, we can see an easy target, which is here. With volume, we should be able to get that. So let's see this zone right here. This zone is 30 pips, so a lot of potential to get some trades in here. So what I'll be looking for on GU is this. A closure below. Preferably at the 8 o'clock candle. 8 o'clock makes a wick up. And then... That's what I'll be looking for. So there you go. Analysis for GU pretty instantly. And also, yeah, 4 hours bearish. Daily's bearish. Daily's going to be exceeding the low of the previous daily, which is going to be interesting. Good morning. Good point, Wendy. And don't forget Jackson Hole. Nez could come at any time. Oh yeah, did he actually say anything yesterday? Because we were waiting on that, weren't we? Oh, look at this. Got a nice coffee as well. Bro, how do you read Forex? What do you mean? Oh shit, there's so many comments. I'm fucking... Why is my screen so... Let's just do this here. There we go. You mean GA? Okay, 1 second. Good point, Wendy. Tushar says, bro, how do you read Forex Factory? Can you give a brief? Okay, yeah, that's fine. So Forex Factory is a very easy tool. And I basically just explain it. So, you know, the only reason why we really look at this is to avoid it, okay? It's not to trade with it, really. You avoid it because news can come out completely random, and then it can skew your whole analysis. It can bring in volume, but it can bring in volume really bad volume. It's not the best to be in. So yeah, as you can see here, we have USD news at 1:30. You can see the time at the moment is 7:30, 7:25. So we've got a lot of time for this. So our bracket of trading right here is free. There's nothing on, okay? But if you want to actually look a bit more into it, so you can see red. So this is the impact column. The darker the color, the more important it is, the more impact. So you can see this red color here, really impactful. So this is core price index. If you want to learn more about it, it's here, okay? So actual greater than forecasted of currency. So they explain everything here. To change in the price of goods and services purchased by customers, excluding food and energy. Okay, so it's basically customers' purchases, and you can see here the forecast of what they expect is 0.3. The previous is 0.4. So the reason, the one number you need to look for if you are for some stupid reason trading the news is forecast. So if the forecast is 0.3 and it comes out to be 0.3, nothing will change. Because that price is already priced into the market because it's an efficient market. But if it's a completely different percentage, really high or really low, then that's when you start getting some big volume. But yeah, that's kind of how you do it. Jackson Hole, you can't do anything about it. It's literally just someone speaking just about random crap, and you know, he could say one bad word and then, you know, one bad word about something or the economy, and yeah, you'll be goosed. Oh shit. Okay. So because this candle's way too big, oh, looks like we're breaking up here. For me, there is no trade because the stop loss would be too big, but it looks pretty high volume. Goddamn! So we are starting to exceed these highs here now, guys. Where will be coming? We'll be coming back up to these zones, so 920. Hopefully in 11 minutes time we get a closure, but we'll see. To continue with these buys, but yeah, for this you can't get into any trades right now because we don't have a closure, and also even if you wait for impulses, it's too close to the 8 o'clock candle, and you know, the top wick and bottom wick. This looks like news actually. This feels like news. So when you start getting used to trading and done it for a long time, you'll start seeing what news feels like, and it's just very volatile, very choppy. You know, if you look on the 1 minute here, we're going up. You know, it's a bit choppy. So just wait for these candles to close. We could get a nice closure here. If you guys haven't already, make sure to like the stream, guys. Really helps me out to get more following and help people out on YouTube. So make sure to spam that like button. Spam that like button, especially them GJ buys yesterday. Damn! I had so many messages of new people joining, like, bro, I just caught 10 pips in 10 seconds. I was like, yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, make sure to spam that. Let's get to 60 likes today. 60 likes. But yeah, waiting for this closure here. Really good, solid option. For gold, as I said, buys above here. Because, for example, you can't really get into any trades before that because we have resistances here. So, you know, if you took a buy here to expect price to come in and break this zone, that's quite hard because, you know, we've had resistance at this point. So always look to the left to see what's happened before. We want clean candles. Obviously, there's clean here, but there's also, you know, rejections at this point, so just be careful with that. Has anyone got any charts? Let's have a look on Discord. So if you guys haven't gone to my Discord yet, make sure you do. Yes, you've got people joining every morning, so amazing. So let's do charts for the stream. Okay, Pickles, give me a one. That's a good thing. Do you have a video explaining how to avoid a fake out? Yes, if you look at my YouTube video called the best forex entry, there's one example there where I use my entry example on how I avoid fake outs. There's actually one before. If you look on my Instagram as well, I avoided a fake out too. So there's lots of ways to look at that to avoid a fake out. But yeah, look on my YouTube channel. So look, trash. Okay, yeah, trash. Buys above 150,800. Sells below 154.20. Amazing. That's funny. And that was done at 7:36, so he probably didn't even look at my stream. So he's done this all by himself. He's done his zones, he's waiting for buys, he's waiting for sells. So you can see there, you know, marking your own charts and seeing if they're similar to mine is fucking class, okay? You need to really be doing that. I'll do this. That's funny, I like that drawing. 141 members now in the Discord, so amazing growth. Oh, okay, goal. Okay, GJ. Okay, so 8 minutes left. Are we gonna hold? We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Wow, amazing turnout today, guys. For a Friday, we're getting amazing for the subscribers and all that good stuff. It's fire. Oh, also, I've just started to look at a PAM account on IC Markets. I've just applied for one, so that will be interesting if you guys want to do that. So this is a really good question, I think. If the London Opens forms a small bottom wick and then breaks a high, will you enter a buy? Yes, preferably I kind of want a big bottom wick, but if price does this, so if we do make the bottom wick, I kind of want it to be here. I want at least like a 4 or 5 pip bottom wick, and then when we start exceeding, that'd be good. Maybe at the highs right here with a buy stop, but yeah, that's how it would look. Right now there is no entry though, because you know we can't really get into a trade here. There's no stop loss. So yeah, we just have to hold on. And if you miss a move, if you miss this move, you just miss it. You know, there's no bad thing about that. You just have to miss the move. But getting it early here, 7 AM, damn. I mean, that shit flew. Looked really, really nice. Let's see this 4 hour now. Oh, it exceeded the high of the 4 hour, the previous 4 hour. Oh no, sorry, the previous 2 4 hours. So we're looking good for these buys right now. Really, really strong bullish candle here. But yeah, getting in now is going to be risky. So, but we're going to be flying here. So how close to our TP for this? Ooh. So buy stops could have worked here, but any thoughts on funded accounts? Amazing. Yes, you should check out Funded Talent in my link. I use Funded Talent for like a year now. Really, really good. Really good customer service as well. I think it's gone like yesterday. Yes, sir. But there's a lot of things that I couldn't do for this trade. Couldn't get in for an impulse like yesterday because there's no bottom wick, and you know the reason why I got in yesterday was because my stop loss was 5 pips because it made a bottom wick, which was like here, and then it started running. So we'll have to wait here. So preferably now, you know, buys above this zone right here. We'll have to see where this candle closes. If it closes like here, that's going to be great. But we may have to look for buys above 159.20 again. So that's all right. Wow, 20 likes in the stream already. Amazing stuff. We've hit 600 subscribers as well this week. So last week we were on like 490. Now we're on 600. So growing very nicely. Help. Oh, wow. We're pushing. But you can see, even though when you miss trades and like, you know, you couldn't really get in here because you're waiting for candle to close, you can see how it went basically perfectly. Really, really solid. So 5 minutes waiting for this to close right here. And people are in some, I think people will be in at this point, which is really, really good. For gold, yeah, still waiting at these highs right here. As you can see, we still haven't made the lower wick of the 4 hours. So for me, no buys will come in until we make a lower wick at this point. Not entering on the 5 minute. No, because of the fact that we are coming towards the 8 o'clock candle. And for me, 8 o'clock candles make lower wick. So like for here, the reason why I don't want to enter on the 5 minute, if you get a closure in now, is because we're so close to the hourly closing. So look, this hourly is going to close in 5 minutes time. You look at all these hourly candles, how many make a bottom wick? A lot of them, okay? So a lot of them make a bottom wick. So in that, if I'm knowing that and I enter right now, I know I'm going to be taking some drawdown. Whereas if I wait for this bottom wick for the hourly and then to start flipping, that's going to be a much safer opportunity because I'm waiting for this bottom wick, and then therefore my bottom wick is also the stop loss. Okay, so yeah, I think that's just from practice and from like at the moment there's a lot of volume in London. I'm not gonna lie. If you go to later months, so like September, October, November, so October, November, right? I see a lot of people getting trades before London Open, and then this shit rinses. And I mean, I've seen numerous times where this candle here just drops. Okay, so this is why I wait for the low wick, because the low wick gives you confirmation that we're leaving this zone because we've came down, taps this zone, and then when it starts rinsing and starts filling up and then flipping, then we know we're leaving this zone. So look, I'll do this more of an example here. We're leaving this zone and we're coming into this zone. So it avoids fake out, it avoids, you know, a lot of stuff. So yeah, waiting for the candle to close and making its bottom wick, especially for the hourly candle, very, very key. Very, very, very key. But yeah, we'll see, we'll see. 3 minutes time. Still get a closure here. I'm gonna start filming just in case we get something. Start recording. Nice. Morning. Wow, 51 viewers. Make sure you like the stream, guys. Let's get out 30 likes before 8 o'clock. That's sick. Amazing. So yeah, the issue with me now is because we have this resistance at this point. But even if we got there, my stop loss would be a break even at that point. So there still is an option, especially with this volume. Damn. I'm looking at the hourly here, trying to see if there's any resistance. Ooh, little resistance areas here, but I still think with volume we should be good. Would you take a buy once the new candle wicks down and then flips back bullish? Yes. If the wick is substantial enough for me, yes. Oh yes, 27 likes in the chat. Jeez. I got my PC set up and now I got that Joker in, looks fire. Oh, I need to drink my coffee, boy. So yeah, just waiting for this candle to close. If you can't close above here, ooh, then hell no. See, so even waiting for candles to close here. Good idea. My trade that I got in yesterday was a bit before the 8 o'clock, I think. So I wasn't too bothered. Look at this. In 2 minutes time, if this candle cannot close strong bullish above this zone like here, not above here, then you know this is a clear zone that is having trouble breaking, which is mad. That Sports Direct mug is a must, bro. Sports Direct mug, it's just beefy. Like, I'm a big guy. Like I eat a lot, I fucking drink a lot, and like, bro, the one thing I can't stand is small cups. I fucking can't. Like, and anything like pints, right? Not pints, like, as in pints, as in like water. I just want a glass of water. Go downstairs, and like, if there's no pint glasses like this, and there's like little shitty like fucking cups. It's literally a sip full. Like I fill it up. I drink one sip, and I've finished the cup, bro. I need like big glasses. I don't fuck about with them little ones. And like little cups of coffee. Oh, bro, like I don't think I've ever been to like Starbucks or Costa and not had like the largest size. Like the small size is like, bro, it's like £3 for like literally a fucking sip of coffee. Be carefully, this breakout is a trap for buyers. Aha. Very, very true. Can be. In 46 seconds time, if we don't get a closure above, yep. Very, very, very good idea. But yeah, waiting for this candle to close is the key to success. Do you have any rules like do you not enter if the first minute of the new candle? Yeah. So if this candle here, if this candle in 26 seconds time does this, so if we do this, right? Close above, right? Makes like, I mean, a nipple like this, and then starts rinsing. That's not me. That's not my trade. It's too risky. Stop loss is too big. You know, it's just not how I trade. It's quite on impulse, you know. Whereas, and also, you know, if it rinses off straight away, you're basically saying to yourself, I'm expecting this next 15-minute candle to be completely running bullish the whole fucking time. Okay. And that's just not the case sometimes. So look, we haven't got a closure above. We have not got a closure above. I repeat, we have not got a closure above. Therefore, there is no buys for me. Okay? No buys for me at the moment. 30-minute hasn't closed below, above. You know. Oh, look at this. So look at that 5-minute fake out, bro. And look at this. Oh my god. So, you know, very, very important to wait. And there we go. So we made a nice wick now. I mean, it looks actually quite strong for bearish, I'm not going to lie. Let's take a look at gold right here. Yeah, gold needs to be making this bottom wick still. GA. Oh, I'm looking at GA, not GU. So GA, I'm still looking for sells below this zone right here. So sells below 188.880, probably. So... still closed above 30-minute resistance. Let's have a look. Nah, no, it hasn't for me. 30-minute resistance is here, so no. 30-minute resistance is at this point, this point. These candles couldn't close above this zone, So it hasn't closed above here, therefore there is no buys. These flipping, I mean, you could do if you exceed these wicks, maybe a buy stop here. But for me, I'll have to see. What are you thinking about, Antonio? Have you do you kind of think, yeah, we haven't closed above and that, or what do you think?
No, yeah, we haven't closed above for me. My resistance is at 158.16.
Yeah, okay, 158.16. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's all right though.
If we had gotten the 30-minute closure above, that would be actually 10 pips top on the bottom, the lows of this, the previous 30 minute.
Yeah.
I know it looks big, but it's actually
Yeah, that's true, bro. Wait, Antonio, can you turn your mic up a bit? Or my... Can I turn your mic up? I think I've just got this on too fucking loud on my headphones, this fucking thing.
Can you hear me better now?
Oh, yeah, much better. Thank fuck for that, okay.
Alright, yeah, I think it was Zoom.
fair. Wow, 58 viewers in the stream, guys. Yeah, we're waiting for these buys here, but if buys don't occur and we start printing bearish, and I mean solid bearish, then sells could be an option at this point, because we are still holding the daily resistance. We are coming down again. We're rejecting these highs. So how could you get into some sells at this point? Well, because you're in a range here, sells would be better below this zone. But I mean, you could take some. Ooh, let's look at the hourly. Yeah, you couldn't because this hourly is so strongly bullish. So to be honest, this is perfect for buys, really, because this is, look, making the little wick for the hourly candle. If we do start flipping, exceeding these candles here, this could be a good zone. I'm not gonna lie. And it's gonna do exactly what it did over here. Look, see that? Obviously, this is a bit of a deeper wick, but pretty much similar. You know, nice strong bullish candle here. You wick, you flick, and then you fill up this clean candles to the left. Bro, do you use any indicators? No indicators. We use 0 indicators in this chat. Indicators don't indicate anything for me. I use support and resistance. Yeah, I should do a video on that. But yeah, I don't do any of that kind of stuff. There's no point. Oh, okay. Buy stops above here. Maybe buy stops above here. Got 10 minutes left. It's made this low wick. If we do start leaving this zone now, let's look at the minute. Oh, this looks juicy. So 820. Stop loss will be 740. 8 pip stop loss. To exceed these highs. I may have it actually here. 830. Wait a bit longer. I could hopefully wait for this 15-minute, but it's got 10 minutes left. I think this is a perfect setup for buys. As long as if this was just a bit higher, this is the only issue. I'll have to see. I think they need to understand the difference between wick and body. Body closed below 30-minute resistance. Yeah. So the body is the candle I'm looking for. So closures. Oh shit, that's a good point. Some people might not know that. Yeah. So when I'm saying closures above, I'm not meaning this. I'm not meaning this closure. I'm meaning the body of the candle. The body of the candle needs to close above. Oh shit. This is gonna look like a good opportunity, guys. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna try and hold out for this 15-minute to close. To be honest. 15-minute close for me. Yeah, so it's the body of the candle, guys. Make sure you remember that, because like, look, these bodies didn't close above. This is why this is resistance. Yeah, you get down there and relax for a bit, please. So yeah, it's the bodies of the candle. Wow, 60 viewers, man. This is amazing. We are growing so nicely. Make sure you like the stream, guys, and yeah, get into the Discord if you had. Let's see if there's anything else. I was saying Pickle at the moment wants some fucking like trash. He wants some fucking rocket buys. I love the word trash. I know a lot of Americans use it. Like, that shit trash. That shit trash. Man, I remember following you on Instagram when you were showing how to trade with a small account. I can't believe I found you on here. Yes, sir. I actually showed that my £100 series that I advise people to, you know, look at for motivation and shit. You know, the £100 series showed that, you know, if you can trade properly, you can grow an account. And I grew it like 60% in like 3 months or 2 months. That's with discipline though. If you can't do it on the small account, I'm sorry, but it doesn't matter how big your account is. It don't mean shit. I keep on seeing a lot of these questions as well about if I'm at break even, should I increase my money like in the account? Like, well, no, because what makes a fucking difference? If you're break even, all you're gonna be doing is risking more and just getting break even again. How about you take money out and have a really small account, make sure you know you're profitable for the next 2 months, and then you can add more in. 2 weeks in now, joining the stream. Really happy, man. That's amazing. 2 weeks you've been following. That's great. I mean, the growth on it has been amazing. We were hitting, like, at the start, I just looked like yesterday, we were hitting like 13 viewers, then like 20 viewers maximum. Now 58 and 34 likes, bro. Like, soon it's gonna be 100 viewers. That's gonna be like, I'd say like 3 more weeks, 100 viewers consistently.
That's what it be popping.
Yeah, bro, like 100 views, like already the chat's already like getting like busier. Like before, like I had to like fucking milk. I was like, people, please talk in the chat. I was like, but you know, not too bad. That grew. I think because I had the Instagram, I think it's helped a lot for me. Because I know a lot of streamers and shit. Like they take years to get to where I'm right now. Like if they're just plainly doing on it, like just streaming, they've got no like platform, like they can really do it. This takes them fucking donkey's years. Why you don't trade GU? I do every so often. Oh shit, I actually did GA. Yeah, let me just do GU as well, guys, for you. But it's the same. It's the same kind of way we do it every single time. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at GU at this point. Okay, so daily time frame. Can someone keep a lookout for GJ for me, please? If we're starting to cross those lines.
I got you.
Cheers, boy. So daily, blue, nice. Before hourly. So all time frames are bullish. We're reacting off these lows. Wow, we closed below and then we came back. This is like a 4-hour fake out. Damn. Now going into the lower time frames over here. Oh, we've got a closure back. We've got a closure actually in the zone here. So theoretically, with price, we should actually start filling up this range over here, because we've got a closure on this hourly. This candle, if it does flip up, should start filling this, and this is a nice zone to fill. So potential buys at this point with GU. If this candle flips at this point and starts exceeding like here, you're gonna get a nice stop loss, 5 pips. You could even have it like here, 12 pips, and then to expect price. I mean, this is obviously rangey, but you should fill the range up at this point, so it shouldn't be too bad. For sure. When GU is bullish, yes sir, good lad. GU is bullish because look at this. Someone explain to me why it is bullish in the higher time frames here. I want you to pay attention to the charts. Someone new who hasn't really been in the stream that much, as who's listened a lot. Why can you see even on the 30-minute? So here, how do you know the higher time frames are bullish? And tell me which one's which, and tell me how is it done. 37 likes. Jeez. I'm waiting on someone. I'm waiting. How would your potential buy entry in GJ? The closure above, my boy, on the 15-minute time frame. Price above your daily flipped. Yep, well done. And also it's above the 4-hour flip. So, yeah. Very quickly here, 4-hour flip, daily flip. Price is above this zone, these lines, sorry. So therefore, price is bullish for the bias. That's all you have to do for having your bias. Very, very easy. As you can see now, we're flipping. Let's have a look at the 5-minute. Oh, this is nice. I mean, for GU buys, I mean, it looks pretty good potential. I'm not gonna lie. It is obviously a lot choppy here, but get a closure, but in so. GU buys could be nice, but I'm focusing on GJ here. I'm waiting for this closure at this point. Come on, give me the closure, boy. Let's have a look at gold before I focus on this. Oh, still no 4-hour bottom wick, so no trade for me at this point. No trade for me. how would your potential buy entry? Yeah, so my buy entry is going to be looking like this. If we get a closure right now, it's going to be like this. So this is going to be the wick up, flipping. If we get a closure like this with the wick down, then this is going to be looking good, like that. And then this one's going to make a lower wick, and then when we start exceeding, bam, trade. That's what I'm looking for. So, you know, very, very basic. It's if you guys come to the stream every single day, and you'll see people saying like, how would your potential buy entry be on this? You start seeing that I'm saying the same thing every time, because I'm only looking for the same kind of setup: a close above, lower wick formed, flipping the candle, exceeding. There you go. Like, so it's, you know, it's a very, very easy strategy, simple strategy. Because what's the point in making it fucking hard and annoying? Just make it easy for yourself. Let's get 40 likes before 8:15, guys. Make sure you like this stream. Will not be looking for a selling play if the 50-minute close bearish. Could potentially, yeah, because the 30 minutes still on. Yeah. But preferably, I'll only look for a celery play if this red candle pulls up a bit more, more like here. I don't want a strong candle on the celery. I want it like quite weak, like here. So we'll have to see on there. Wow, yeah, I love this stuff. Let's see what we're on subscribers at this point, guys. We're smashing this. And also, if you guys are subscribed, make sure to ring the bell as well. Ring the bell to notify. 611 subscribers. Jeez, we're gonna hit that 1,000 soon for that magic keys giveaway. That magic keys giveaway. So if you guys haven't subscribed already, you get automatically entered into the roll. I saw someone's question in a second. One sec. When do you go live? I need to trade along with others. I subscribe also. I trade 7:30 till 9:30 UK time every single weekday. So yeah, that's how I do it. That's how I do it. And soon I maybe in maybe a month's time or half a month's time. I don't know. Maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'm gonna be opening up my private VIP group, I think. And it is going to be pretty fire, but I'll see how many places I want. I don't know if I want to keep it you know, open to anyone to join, or I only want a certain amount of people, because I want the people, like, for example, if you come to me and say, oh Max, I want help trading and stuff, I kind of want to give a review on how I want, like, if you're going to be like listening to me properly, you can behave and you want to do this. So it's going to be quite serious, and like I will kick you out of the group if I don't feel you're asking me questions, you're not helping yourself, you're doing stupid trades. So like I kind of want it like that. It's more of an aggressive style, because if I just say, oh yeah, pay for my signals and just like watch me trade and stuff and just do it, you're not learning anything. I kind of want it to be a proper learning. Is this going to be a paid group? Nope. YouTube will always be free. The only thing I think I would do, I mean, this is only me estimating and guessing, is that people who pay will be given access on the live stream to the Zoom, so they can ask me questions live, like they can actually speak on Zoom. That would be the only thing that would change. So there'd be more people on there. Oh shit! It's closing in 6 seconds time. Oh my god! So close. I was like, bro, we're gonna get the close. Holy shit! That bitch flipped and then it went oop. So celery play could work right here. I mean, 30-minute candle. Okay, we'll see here. Celery play exceeding the highs here. It could be an option with the low. If I got in here at this point, 820, 750. Yeah, that could be reasonable. We'll see. Maybe a buy stop above 158.30 for me. I wanted to exceed these wicks, to be honest. I love some of these kind of flipped. Got in buys for GU. Okay. Buys for GU. Ooh, be careful of buys in GU, because we just had a 15-minute close bearish. So if 150-minute candle closing bearish like this suggests that there could be a resistance forming. So be careful. I really want to hold on GJ right here though. Oh shit, celery play! On a bit higher. 830 right here at this point. So 30 minutes flipping bullish, nice. So I'm gonna have a buy stop, I think, above 158.33. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Oh shit. Open calc. 833. No, I don't want fucking. Well, I'm gonna enter me. I was gonna do market pending, but I couldn't. So how are we gonna get into this trade right here? The 5 minutes starting to push above. We're having a celery play at this point. Let's have a look at this boy. We've exceeded these highs. I was happy to take a buy, and the stop loss is above the actual current candle low. I'm expecting with volume we should start to push here. We have got a very, very nice tight stop loss at this point. 6 pips. Happy to take this trade. Maybe actually 30-minute. Let's have a look. Can I put on the 30-minute low? How big will that be? Let's have a look here. Yeah, I may give it more room actually. Let me put it under the 13. There we go. So while that's running on, let's look at the 5 minute here. Yeah, still good. 5 minute closure will give you more of an identification in 2 minutes time at this point. So we'll wait. I've got in GGI. Sorry, I meant the VIP group you mentioned. Is that going to be a paid group? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, today's catch. Okay. So I am not in a trade. I said I've got a buy stop here, and it hasn't activated actually. So I'm waiting on 150.844.845. So this zone, basically the high. If we break this own high here, oh my god, we're gonna be flying, boy. So that's gonna be. So let me write this here, because I want it to exceed these wicks here, which is what it'll do. So let's just do this as a white line here. So I've got my magic keys set in place. Buy. You got into buys. No. Buy stop. Sorry, I didn't make that clear. I don't think. I'm in a buy stop. And it hasn't activated because I literally did it a second it went to there. I was like, oh. Look at this 1 minute as well. Oh my god, that's so fucking close. Holy shit. How am I not in that? What the fuck? Am I spread? So yeah, if we do start exceeding these highs over here, I'm going to be entering a trade at that point. So let's have a look here. Sorry, I meant, yeah, it's going to be page group. Right, let's have a look at this chart then that someone has sent me. Amazing. Perfect charts. Let's have a look. I like looking at all the charts you can give me. Let's take a look over here. Okay, so this is gold at this point, okay? Oh, you got into a gold celery play on the 50-minute time frame. Okay. And it ran nicely. You had a 10 pip stop. And you ran nicely. 15 pips and then continued on. Wow. Really solid trade. So what time did that happen at? Let's have a look. Like 7, 8 a.m. Wow. Amazing. Let's have a look at gold now. So it was like here, or a bit further down. Was it here? Let's have a look. On the 15-minute. Oh, there. Here. Nice. Damn, that shit was nice. Fire. So looks like price is not coming there yet. So we still, I might have to reduce my. Oh no, it's alright. It's still alright. So stop loss will be here if I still get in at this point. Not as high that way. I'll have it here when I get in. If it finally does, but you can see the 30-minute here, very indecisive at this point. It's waiting. So we are waiting patiently. But yeah, I wanted it to exceed this wick. This is what the wick I was concerned about. This wick and this wick. So when it starts exceeding here, so I've got it like 0.2 pips above here. So like this zone here, should be good. Wow, 62 viewers in the chat, amazing. I need to watch a video on how to enter buy and sell stop with magic keys, or is that not possible? Yeah, so you press this market pending, there. Click that one and then it gives you another parameter and then you just fill it in. It's not bad at all. Wow, 39 likes. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. We're still waiting for a buys above here when the 30-minute comes. It's got 8 minutes left, so, you know, time is kind of on our hands now. We need to start pushing. But we'll see, we'll see. And gold, we're still waiting for buys above 1807. It's just chilling there. GA, still looking in its trajectory to go up, which is fire. And so that's GU. GU starting to come up. Oh wait, let's look at the 15. So yeah, people in GU buys. I mean, it looks nice on the 30. So maybe have your stop loss below this current 30, because in 8 minutes time it shouldn't really come down and exceed that low right now. Hopefully in 10 minutes we can get a 30-minute close above. Yeah. I did that, but how do I set it? Like, how when I open an order do I open calc? So you press, so you do market pending, and then it gives you a stop loss, a TP, and then that yellow line. Put that yellow line where you want it to be entered, and then you press open trade, and it doesn't obviously open straight away. It opens when it passes that. So yeah, just press open trade, but make sure obviously it's on the market pending. So it looks like we're still not coming up here. That was great actually, because I clicked my market pending literally at like 8:40, but I think it was literally after this, so like here. So I was very, very lucky at this point. See, so sometimes impulses aren't the best to get into. You know, some days they work, but some days they don't. So it's a lot riskier. But in 6 minutes time, if we do get a closure above like this, and this 30-minute will close above, if it closes above, then we have more of an identification, not identification, we have more of an idea that we're going to be going up. Wow, 40 likes, guys. Hit 40 likes before, you know, 9 o'clock. That's amazing. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure you do. And also subscribe, go to the Discord, all that good stuff. So let's have a look at Discord here. London Trades. United Forex. Okay. Oh. Today at 8 AM. Okay. Oh wow, GJ buys. So he got in a lot earlier. Entered on the break of the high with a Frankfurt Open. So Frankfurt Open is an hour before ours. That's great. Stop loss. We're entering on the high, the 30-minute candle with Frankfurt Open. Yep. So his stop loss is below the current candle. Plus 5 pips at this point. If price is coming back and the open candle starts flipping bearish again, I would close 50% of my position. Partial stop loss on. Yep. Close full at 8.7 pips. Nice. Oh, what's the term you see? Celery play. Okay, celery play is I think that Control Effects came up with, I think, and it's basically when the 15-minute. Let me just show you. 15-minute closes weak bearish like this, and then the next candle exceeds the high, but it's still bullish for the 30. So yeah, it's basically this play here. When this one exceeded the high of the previous, stop loss below it. That's a celery play. Works quite a lot in gold. I think for GJ it doesn't as much, but I'm so happy to take it if it comes up again. But really respecting this resistance at this point. But with a bit of volume. Oh shit! It's gonna be blasting off, boy. But lasting off. But yeah, as I said, all my links and stuff are all in this description of this YouTube video. Oh shit, we're gonna be activated soon. Fuck. You pay attention. He usually takes them above resistance. Yeah, it's very, very true. 5-minute structure looking a lot better now, just to stay above 800. Yep, very, very true. Very, very true at this point. Is this a celery play scenario? Well, close to, but as Christopher just said before, it's normally above resistance, which this one kind of isn't. But look at this now. Oh, being activated, guys. Being activated. So stop loss is below the current 15-minute. Oh shit, we're flying. We're up 1.6 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad. So we should continue now at least to this zone at 150, 920. Clean candles left. Stop loss at break even about this zone. Very, very good. Easy trade to get into with the buy stop, and we should be running nicely now. up 3 pips now. You know, this is what we do every single day, guys. How am I going to manage risk? Yeah, my risk is here. Let's look at the 5 minute. I mean, if we do start closing back in the zone here, maybe to flip the daily again, I will take off 50% at that point, which is at minus 3 pips. But yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see. 3 minutes time, should get this closure and start to exceed and start pushing nicely and do all that good stuff. So yeah, make sure you spam this like, guys. Another good entry. No drawdown at the moment, but obviously we can still lose this trade, which I'm ready to do. I'm ready with my magic keys to close custom, which is 75%, which is what I'll probably do if you start coming back in the zone again. Don't really want it to flip the daily again, so yeah. If the 30-minute close is strong, though, the wick gets you back at entry. How will you manage risk? Will you leave the whole position running? Yeah, probably. If this 30-minute closes it now, yeah, it's going to make a lower wick, but because we've already tried to break this zone, I feel this wick is going to be a lot smaller. But I'm still going to be, closing like quite a lot at 150, 800 level. I don't want it to come back in the zone, really. Or like here. Just anywhere, really, to be honest. I'm not too bothered. It's looking quite good for buy. As long as you get this closure above on the 5 minute. As long as price doesn't come back here, yeah, then I'll take off 75% at that point. You know, this is really managing risk at this point. It's a really, really good way of managing risk. We've got 2 minutes left. As long as we stay, because I want it to, I want price to start running into this next zone and staying away from this zone. So that's why, managing risk is key. I'm taking off 50% if you get to like here. That's mad. Like, that's like minus like 2 pips. So, that's why really managing your losses is so important. And then when your winners run 10 pips, you're like, great, 10 pips. I managed 2 other trades before, which are fucking nothing pips. So here we go, guys. We are still running at this point, guys. This is what we do every single day, guys. I'm not gonna lie. If I win this trade, you guys are blowing this bitch up. I'm not gonna lie. We're at 4 pips at this point. So what am I looking for here? We are filling up this wick right now, and at this point here, I'm gonna be taking some positions off. 4.5 pips profit. Got resistance at 920. Yep, we sure do. We sure do. So when we start coming up here, oh shit! Oh GG! Wow, stop loss to break even at this point, guys. Stop loss to break even at this point, okay? Volume, bro. Volume. Come on, keep on going, my boy. But at this point, I'm going to be taking off 50% because we're coming up to this resistance at 920, which you guys have just said. So, closing custom at this point. Closing half. There we go. And the rest should be running. So amazing trade again, guys. We got it. I got my 9-10 pips right there. If you look at this trade, amazing. Let's go. We got another W in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. W in the chat. We got another trade. GJ buys at this point. Amazing. Amazing. A 9-pip boy. So, we do this every single day, guys. Now, get them likes up, guys. Get them likes up. Sorry. You better get them likes up. We just hit 10 pips at this point. Amazing. And you see, I managed risk with magic keys. All that good stuff. Get them W's in the chat, guys. Get them likes up. Come on. When you hit 50 likes with that, that's a great trade. Basically, I had no drawdown as well. No drawdown. Like, absolutely zero. Perfect setup, guys. This is what you want to be doing every single day. And now we've got a closure above here. Now, really, really good for continued buys at this point, to be honest. Amazing. Easiest trade. Yes, sir. So, past 2 days, 0 drawdown. Buy stops working perfectly. Saw these 5 minutes come in. Didn't get the closure, but the 30-minute was turning, and the last, couple of minutes of the 30-minute, we fly. Mate, spam that like button, guys. Spam that like button. Let's spam it. Come on. Spam that bitch. Spam that bitch. We got a W in the chat. We got a W in the chat. Announcements. Just caught 10 pips on stream. Join. So there you go. See, so you know, waiting for the little wicks to form and then flipping is a really good option because you get a 0 drawdown trade, and you know you start eating. Oh, my runner's running nicely. Let's go, let's go. Because we closed back here now and we closed above resistance at this point, we should be running back to the next zone and filling up these things and coming up to these highs maybe. Damn. But you know, this is what you do, yeah. This is what you do every single day, yeah. Run a banking, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, skis. So yeah, amazing stuff. Amazing trade there, guys. Look at this, breaking resistance. Waited very, very patiently for this trade, and now we are running, and we should be hitting up these zones another 10 pips away. Now this is all you gotta do every single day. Do the same thing every single day. You know, I risk 1.4% there, made 1.5, and I've still got a runner on. It's 2% every single day. Get another trade NY if you can. 4% every single day. You know, 5 days a week, 20%. You know, it's very, very doable. So I'm gonna maybe take some off in a second. Yeah, come to this resistance zone, so I'm gonna take some more off. So close custom at this point. Close custom again. Close custom again. And leave the rest on. Nice. And there you go. This is how you trade. GJ.
Clean.
Yes. Yes, sir. Wow, man. Make only 44 likes, bro. Bro, who is not getting these likes in my life? Who is not? Why is your chart behind? What do you mean, chart behind? Oh my god, the runner flying. Jeez, runner flying. Damn! Wow, we just hit 20 pips, guys. 20 pips. 20 pip trade. Amazing work. So I'll be taking off another. Oh, is it YouTube lagging? Shit. Why is your chart behind? Oh, I do not know. Is the Wi-Fi bad? Let me take this Wi-Fi off. Why is your chart behind? I wonder. Yeah, my Wi-Fi home ain't the best. But yeah, there you go, guys. Amazing trade at this point. You know, closing basically all that I got. Caught the snipe on that pullback. Caught a few more pips. Damn, damn, son, damn. Okay, amazing trade. So I'm gonna have my full TP at here, so 450. So let's just move my TP here. 450 at this point. Nice. And there we go. You know, we do this every single day. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's go. Let me just take off my recording. Stop recording. There we go. So I mean, even if you got the closure here, I mean, you would have still got 10 pips. But I could just see it starting to turn up, and I was happy to take that trade. Right, caught 2 lovely London trades with you 2 days in a row. Yes, sir. This is what we do. Caught this with you. My entry was early, but still held on, though closed everything at 10 pips. Still a newbie. Cheers, bro. No bother, man. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I may be putting some YouTube videos out this weekend for sure. But yeah, that was the GJ trade. Let's see if GU did the same. Oh, who's in GU buys, bro? So I called them out as well. I said, bro, this is looking good. I mean, you exceeded these highs, so let's write these down. Let's write these down. So trades called, trades taken, GJ buys plus 20 pips. Nice. And then I also called out GU buys, and they've ran nicely. I said if you wait for this flip at the 8:30, so let's have a look at this. Yeah, like 11 pips. So another stream, another dollar. Another day, another dollar. We're flying. We barely lose here. Bro, I'm telling you. Go back and look at all my streams. I barely lose. But you can see, you know, our parameters and stuff and enter in. Let's have a look here. Oh shit! Someone Bruno sent me a chart wrong. I think I need the X on it. 1 second. See if I can do it myself. No, try and send me that chart again, por favor. 10 pips is all you need, guys. Every other thing is just a bonus that rarely comes. But not even that. Like, if you risk 2% and make 10 pips, you've made 2%. Like, it's class. Are we stuck on 44 likes, or have I actually got a lot more likes and my thing's lagging? Oh, no, we actually do have 44. I remember being here before and I was lagging a lot, and I was like, guys, why am I stuck on 11 likes, bro? Got in the GBP USD, missed the GBP JPY. Yeah, but GBP USD is still running nicely. Wait, Bruno, I think you do this, right? If you don't know how to do a chart, you do this. So you go on a trading view, press the camera, press copy link here. Copy link. So it's copy and link, okay. Then when you come here, you Control V the link, and then just take off the trading view bit and just take this like that. Leave the X bit on if you can. So the runner's still running. 2 minutes behind, bro, but still caught it. Sick. Oh shit, it's 2 minutes behind. Fuck, that's bad. Maybe I'll ask because my dad. It's because my dad's at work, I think. 2 minutes behind, bro, but still caught it. Sick. Wow, it's 2 minutes. That's a bit oof. I might have to fix that. Looks like gold formed a high. Wait for possible support to retest. What's your lot size? I'm running at a nice lot size right now. Wow, 46 likes on a Friday stream. Amazing. So what are we looking for to continue? We're also to come towards this resistance here on GU. Is GA also pushed? GA just reacted off these lows. Did someone say they were in GA buys or GA sells? And you can see here, next resistance that we're just tapping at this point. So, you know, we just need to be careful here. Need to jump above, and it should be a lot better. For sure. Fuck. But I tell you what, that was a class trade. Wait for the low wick to form, and bro, too fire. Too fire, boy. So what are we looking for next? Yeah, closes above here. Maybe it happens in New York or wherever, to then take buys up further to continue back in this zone, which will be pretty nice. Let's have a look at gold here. Ooh, gold. Okay, gold. No, so as you can see, this is an example, guys. This is what you need to take away from the stream. We said we are not going to be doing gold buys because the 4 hour doesn't have a bottom wick, and now you can see we've made the bottom wick. The bottom wick is made. So, you know, that's why we don't really take many trades when there's no bottom wick, because, you know, most times we do get a bottom wick. So, you know, be careful with stuff like that. Ooh. So gold looks like we're right on support right here. So let me just draw this in. So you do get a closure below. I mean, we could fill this up here, but the only issue is that the daily and the 4 hour have different biases. Going to stick now for pre-NY. You guys have a good one. Yes, sir. We always have a good one here. Yes, man. So let's have a look at Discord, see if there's anything else. Wow, look how many people joined. Welcome, everyone. Yeah, so for people who are looking for like VIP kind of proper mentorship, it will be in Discord. So I'll be actually doing it in Discord. It'll be a bot that kind of, when you pay, it sends you to a group, and then you'll have loads of like things on the left. You'll have a lot more things here. So you'll have, you know, hours worth of me just basically explaining things, risk management, psychology, all that good stuff. So they'll be done every week, and then there'll be like access to the live stream here, like for Zoom and stuff. So there'll be a lot of stuff, but it'll take its time. I'm not rushing into it. But yeah, I mean, we got an amazing trade there. Very, very solid. I hope we're alright. Is the stream still lagging? I'm kind of worried that the stream's lagging. Let me go get my iPad and take that off the Wi-Fi. 1 second. Just because I live in the middle of nowhere, really. 1 sec. Bruno, you get into the Discord by going to the link here and just clicking the link. It's free. The link is free. The link is free, boy. So still running here. Who's still got a runner on, guys? Who's still got a runner on? Because I sure do. A nice runner as well. A nice runner as well. Right, so yeah, for gold here, you need to wait for closures either below. But yeah, it's right on support here. If you get the closure, then it could suggest that price is going to start to fall. Also, guys, can I ask a question to the chat? Who would you want to have as guests? Who would you want to have as guests talking about their like journey or whatever? Yeah, got my runner still since market open. Got my runner still since market open. Amazing. Still got a runner. Nice. Yeah, guys, who would you want on a stream as a guest? Sorry, Max, what was the reason you placed the buy stop at the high and not the 50-minute bearish close below resistance? Mainly for that the 30-minute was still open, and with volume, I saw the 5-minute. Look at the 5 minutes again. Look at this. And basically, we tapped it at one point here, rejected off it, and I saw the volume coming in, and basically, because we're exceeding these highs again, with the celery play, so celery play obviously didn't close above, but I was happy to take it with the 30-minute because the 30-minute was leaving this zone. The 30-minute made a big enough lower wick to then say, right, we're leaving this zone and we're coming towards this. So not a regular trade because you didn't get the closure, but a trade that I was happy to take with the 5 minutes printing solid bullish. Even exceeding the highs here would have been good as well. But yeah, just the nice impulses. This has happened both days now, getting into some impulses, but basically waiting because I think before here, so look, 7:45 we exceeded the highs. I'm not going to enter before 8 o'clock, okay? I'm not going to enter before. Someone said Mac or Jeevan. Oh wow, yeah, I could get them boys on. There was some beef with them last night actually. That was interesting, which I watched. It was very 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 fun. But I'm staying out of that. But yeah, Mac and Jeevan I'll get on for sure. I'm sure Mac will come on. Let's have a look at this trade from Jayan. So yeah, if you guys haven't followed the Discord is in the link here, I'm pretty sure. Let me just check. I'm pretty sure it's in the link. Yeah, Discord there. Just join it. Free Discord, boy. Let's have a look at this chart here. Let's take a look at this chart, everyone. Wow, we're literally vibing on 38 viewers. Amazing. Oh shit. Okay, GJ 5-minute time frame. You look for sells here, I think. Closes 30-minute closes exactly at resistance. Breaks below this area to manage risk. Higher support created. No wait, sorry. 5-minute support entered after the 5-minute created minus support. Risky though. 4-hour and higher time frame bullish. Breaks outside Asian range above 5-minute structure. Breaks below this area to manage risk. Okay, lovely. TP1 closed 90% and then TP2. Amazing. So you got in a bit earlier, but you still held it and you were breaks below this. Yeah, so you knew where you were going to take off some points here, which is really, really solid. For sure. Wow, we're still running with this stop loss here. It says Mac or Jeevan, and then Mac trades all sessions. He'll be awake all the time. Yeah, he is always awake, to be fair. Basically a 50-minute bearish break. Yeah, I mean, even on the 5-minute here, that's a good entry with a stop loss below. Yeah, it was a tricky one, to be honest, to get into without having candle closures. But I think I've just seen it so many times, you know, 8:30, volume starts to kick in. It's, the main reason why I like it is because we were rejecting these lows. We're coming up. That's what I liked about it. But yeah, gold here, we need to wait for the support to form. But yeah, I mean, I think we're doing really, really well with the YouTube this week. So if you look at our channel, wow, 613, wow, amazing. But if you look at our YouTube studio here, look at content. So if you look at lives, this week we started on Monday here. So 424, 360, 331, 413. This will be like probably like 400 as well. The week before that, 351, 350, 275, 293, and then 200. These are all 200s here. So now I'm getting like 400. So amazing growth. Solid. So for GJ buys still, I mean, yeah, you're gonna be waiting for closures above this zone right now, because we've broken. But we have actually closed above this little resistance here. So for runners, I mean, if you still got a runner on, really good trades to still hold on at this point. And if this does start flipping up here, we're gonna be coming up and filling this next zone, which is right here. So that's another TP, and that's my full TP of it. I think my full TP is right there, which is where my runner will be going to. So not too bad at all, really, for this closure. That's actually really nice closure, I'm not gonna lie. To continue up, this candle flips here. Oh my god, they're gonna be flying. People in the Zoom, is anyone taking any trades there, or are we still chilling?
I haven't taken any trades yet. No.
Yeah, I think that was hard for impulse if you don't like impulses.
Yeah, no.
Sure.
I don't take impulses. Yeah.
Yeah.
For the most part, like I usually take the salary play, but that just wasn't like set up.
Yeah, if it was a bit higher up, I think it would have been grand. Sure.
Like even now, we got a 15-minute closure above resistance, but there's not the range. There's not enough range going up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So staying out. I have a 30-minute resistance at 151.086, and closures above that, I think will be clean for buys.
086. Oh, here.
Yeah, on the 30-minute, you'll see it.
Yeah, I'd say it's more here. 086. So here. Oh, the little resistance there, and there's a support
Right.
here. Oh shit. Yeah. I see you.
Let me show you.
So that's quite tight. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, right in this area.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, being reserved, that's good thinking though, because yeah, that is quite a choppy zone as well.
Yeah.
Also someone in the Zoom said Matish was waiting for 30-minute candle to close above resistance, but price just took off in the last 2 minutes of the candle. Yeah, exactly. It was coming towards the end and it just went boom. And like how many things? Yeah, like pretty quick. It's pretty quick trade over there. How do you get into Zoom? I'm pretty sure I explained that. Oh no, how do you get into Zoom? I've only put people into Zoom when I asked on Instagram, but soon you'll be able to pay to get into Zoom. Not just that though, it'll just be like the paid signals and like mentorship. You'll be able to get access. But at the moment it's like you can't get into Zoom. I've only got my boys in Zoom.
Yes, sir. The game.
Yes, sir. Oh, it's funny. It's funny. Everyone like starts to when we do the trade, like right, bye, done for the day now. I love that. Everyone's like, peace out. I'm leaving. I'm dipping. Yeah. GA rangy. You shouldn't be any trades on GA at this point. There's no trades at all. GBP is still continuing its ascent, and I do think as long as we stay above, above this zone here, 158.20, we're going to be still continuing up and hitting these highs over here for sure. Very, very easy trade as well. Very, very easy. But yeah, I've still got a little runner on, and it's up 50 pips here. So it's just chilling. Trading view is not working. My trading view? Or your trading view? Right. So yeah. So throughout this week, if you go back to my thing, I think we have taken. Did we take one loss? Let's have a look here. I think we did. I actually don't know what we've been taking. Oh, trading view is not working in general. Oh shit. Let's see here. Oh, there was no trade on Monday. Yeah, there's no trade on Monday. Tuesday. Go to here. For 6 pips. Oh, that was the one where it fucking rinsed 100 and I would have been balls deep in that. But it tapped me out of break even. Oh, that's annoying. Let's look again. No trade here. Let's have a look on here. 13 pips. Nice. So 13, 6 pips, and this one today. So in I have taken 0 losses this week on our streams, and 0 losses the week after, the week before. I'm pretty sure I might have had a 3 pip loss that I took on gold, but I think from that. Thank you, Max, for another great stream. Going work now. Oh, have fun, have fun. Take care, take care. Have a great weekend as well. Everyone's trading view share image link currently down. Ah. That might be why it's struggling. I can't see people's charts and stuff. Wow, look at this. Look how many people have joined. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing. 6 people joined. That'd be nice when I had like 500 subscribers, 500 members. That'd be sick. So this candle's flipping again. Bit choppy though. Bit choppy. So it looks like most people only want Mackin things. Who else would you want? We don't not want Rajuron. Cause I get Rajuron because Raj is he's in Pakistan now, so he's actually up at these times. Bro, you deserve more viewers. I've only just started, that's why. I can't deserve more viewers when I've only just started 2 weeks ago. I think this is, you know, loads of viewers. You get like 400 views a stream. That's a lot. Some people never get that. I mean, look at some people who've been trading for fucking doing live stream for years and they don't get that. So, like I know, like look here. Who is it before? Yeah, Luke Trades London. He's been doing this for ages. And he's only got 200 viewers. I mean, you know, yeah, obviously he's got like nearly 10 times as much as me. But he's also, how many subscribers he's got? 50,000. I've got 600. So, you know, time goes on. You know, but as time goes on, you know, people keep on moving to the fun stream. Yeah, giveaways will be a big thing as well. I'll be doing giveaways basically. Only 32 viewers and 49 likes. Jeez. Well, no, because before I was having like 68 viewers. It's normally like 68. It's just I just did a winning trade. So when people do this trade, they normally just leave because they've done the trade for the thing. That's normally what happens. So when a trade happens, you know, I have a lot of viewers because everyone's like, yeah. But then after, like 5 minutes after, it drops off because the trade's been done. But you know, the perfect time, I mean, if I was learning trading and stuff, the perfect time I would be asking people questions is when the trade's got like finished and, you know, people are leaving the stream. This is when I'll be bashing the questions. I used to do it. I used to be bashing the questions in the chat, asking loads of different things. It's funny, I don't actually get that many questions in here, like retarded questions, like, you know, like really retarded questions. Like Raja does. Raja gets some fucking retarded questions. Goddamn. Oh wow, we're pushing up nicely again. Look at this 5-minute time frame. Damn. That's for GU and GJ. Oh, lovely. Thoughts on swing trades? They're great. I'm in probably a swing trade now. You could probably say. I'm swinging this trade from here all the way to up here. So I think they're good for runners. Break-even trades, but there's not really any point in getting into a swing trade normally because, you know, news can affect it. You know, you're in the trade for a long time. You can have a drawdown for a lot of time. You can have a lot of days, and like for example, if you're waiting for 2-to-1 risk to reward and you're like taking your profits here, what if this happens? Like, this is what I don't get, right? So, you know, what if this happens? So, you know, you're like, oh, I'm waiting for price, and you're like, oh yeah, okay, right, price comes up here and stuff. Still haven't taken any profits because, you know, you're waiting for your 2-to-1 risk to reward. And then at this point, you know, it hits resistance at this level, then starts coming back down, and then hits you at break even. And you're like, well, that was a fucking waste of a day. You know what I mean? On your Foot Talent account, did you complete the challenge just so that they have something similar to FTMO but with a better profit split? I haven't actually done it yet, but Antonio's been saying I should do it, so I will do it. I'll probably do it in September or October. But yeah, I have the normal account, the Flex account. But yeah, the challenge one I'll be having a look at. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Yeah, so gold looks like it's really respecting the zone right here. So, you know, wait until support forms. I mean, this 50-minute actually has closed below, so, ooh. I was thinking if this candle flips, we're looking for good for sells, but in 2 minutes' time, we're going to be closing back in the range here, and therefore we are really respecting this zone, and that'll be called that'll be a fake out. But you see, like with my trades, I don't get faked out because we're waiting for this top wick to form and then to exceed. So you know, there's no way I can get faked out in this trade, which is pretty decent. But yeah, you can see in 2 hours time when this 4-hour candle closes, if we do start to flip and start getting a close above 1807, the buys there are going to be delicious, molto bene. But yeah, it's been a great week. I mean, 0 losses, 3-4 trades. I mean, amazing. About 30-40, well, this is 20 pips. Yesterday's was 30, that's 33, and then like a 6-1 which ran 100. So probably about 45 pips this week. And 45 pips, if you risk 1.4% or 1.5% per 10 pips, you know, that's a good 6% you got there. You know, 6% is fucking huge for the week. And if that GJ one ran properly, bro, I would have been, you know, 12-13, which is not bad at all for 1 week. You're trying to aim for like 20%, 16% a month. But, you know, a lot of them could be a lot better than that, to be honest. You can have 1 week where you make fucking 30%, which is pretty damn good. But this daily, oh my god, this daily looks good for dropping. But you can see the reason why it's struggling to drop is because we are at a clear zone right here. So clear zone, clear support at this level. So we need to wait for breaks below and above, all that good stuff. If this win was to happen on a Monday, Tuesday, and you had closed full, would you trade from New York this afternoon? Yeah, I'll trade New York anyway. I'll trade it today. It's Friday. I'll still trade it. If it's still a trade, I'm gonna take it. Because normally if there's good price action, which it looks like there is today, I'm not just sticking out. So, you know, I used to say 1 trade a day, but now I'm like, no, 1 trade a day if it's a losing trade. If it's a winning trade, I'm going to be taking a lot more, because normally I trade very, very well. NY stream maybe. Nah, I think there's enough traders on NY stream to do. So you got Raja, you got Control FX, and you know I both applaud. I applaud Control FX. I don't want to be nicking his session, so I've got my own session. The reason why I wanted to do these live streams ages ago, but the reason why I didn't was because Monty was doing them, and I was like, I don't know why, I was just being a pussy. I was like, oh, well, he's doing them, so you know, I just let him do it. But then he fucked off and did his own thing, and now there's a free space. Obviously, Luke Just Trading does one, but most people like don't really follow him. I think Luke Just Trading, I think, but yeah, I think he did get a shout out from Raja. I think I don't know how you can get one of them. I'll get one of them. Raja, shout me out, boy. Give me some followers. But yeah, I'll try and get some guests on. That'll be fun. I really enjoy the guests. Actually, yeah, one of the guests is going to be Dr. Pip, but he's smashing at the moment. So. And he does a stream actually as well, but he's, you know, American bit. Oh, not that. Fucking hell, get that off here. What's it called?
You meant Dr. Dollar?
Dr. Dollar, that's it. Fucking hell. Dr. Dollar. Jeez. So yeah, he's a similar amount as me. He does good trades as well. So he'll be coming on. I think he's quite young. But yeah, he's good. He's a good lad. He's got more. He's a bit more like Daniel Savage style, for sure. But yeah, he's smashed it this week. I'm pretty sure he's taken no losing trades, so cracking. Vlado goes, yeah, NY stream, yeah. So no, there's already a lot of streams. So if you want to stream on NY, just join one of these. You've got Controller FX's, so Controller FX's stream, really solid stream. Recently, he hasn't been getting that many trades because the candle closures haven't been here recently. So you've got Controller FX, and you've got Wicks Don't Lie. And there we go. So these two will be great for NY session. But for London, this is the London session, and we're always here every single day, and you know we take winning trades every time. So, and this run is still running deliciously. We're still flying, to be honest. Pretty good. But yeah, guys, I think what we need to do more now is speak about more kind of when there's no trade going on. We need to talk about more about questions about like psychology, your like how you got into trading, how it worked, like that kind of stuff, because that'll really help you. I always like listening to other people's. Roger tried to trade London. Looks like he hasn't mastered it yet. No, I think he did well, but yeah, I think he prefers NY. I think he's busy in the mornings and stuff, for sure. But I'm happy with that because I'll do it. I was like, yes, my time to shine. I was like, Raja, please fuck off to NY so I have some volume here, bro. Would you look to take a buy on gold if the current candle respects previous lows and breaks the high? Oh shit, here. No. Nope, because all time frames are bearish at this point. I mean, yeah, there's no buys on gold at all. I mean, candles are printing below. This candle is going to exceed the low of the previous. We're going to come back, and actually sells are going to be quite nice. I'm not going to lie. And Luke, yeah, Luke does it, but Luke's not in like Luke's not in the space that I'm in. I think Luke trades a bit differently and stuff. I don't really know Luke, to be honest. I don't even have him on Instagram, but I should reach out to him, to be fair. Wow, look at this 4 hour. Damn, rejecting them highs over there, but it's still got 2 hours left, so not rush at all. But yeah, there's lots of streams you can get on. It's just yeah, let's see Lukey boy. Let's see Luke's.
Long term. Well, let's not say long term. Like runners TP.
My guy's Scottish. Jeez.
Get this 1 hour top wick.
He's a good lad. Yeah, so trade's very similar. Let's see, has he looked at GJ or is he just looking at gold? So it looks like he only looks at gold, really? Is it? Yeah, he's only looking at gold. Damn. Gold for London. I mean, it's not the best. I mean, sometimes there's nice moves. I wouldn't say it's amazing. Wow, still running up here. 22 pips on this trade, guys. All broken down. I'll be doing recaps on Instagram so you can see how I got into this trade. And yeah, lovely. So these 50 minutes aren't as strong, so we are also coming towards some resistance at this point. Expect price to resist here, but wait for some support to form, and it could be good for a long swing, which is what I'm going to be holding for. So really good potentials for swing trades. So this is why getting into my trades and having a very tight stop loss. So for example, today my stop loss was it was further here 10, and then I moved it to about 6 or 8. So very tight stop loss, and now I took a nice trade, got 1.5, 1.6%, and now I've got a nice little runner on, and now this runner can be a swing trade. Can swing. It can swing all the way up. So that's the really good advantage of trading the way I trade. You can get swing trades without the disadvantage. Andre, gold, GJ. Yeah, I didn't see GJ in this thing. I actually might reach out to him and say, do you want to do a collab? We can get that buy stop now. Actually, no, people might like to see how I got in. So yeah, buy stops. Buy stops for the win, bro. Buy stops I've been using a lot recently, and they do help. It means you don't get slipped. It means, you know, you don't have to worry about missing it, or, you know, your emotions getting involved. Buy stops really does. I missed that fuck. You need to get up earlier, Andre. You need to get up earlier for these trades, yeah? Morning. I'm in gold buys. Nice. I took GJ sell buys. Talk. Oh, he's actually is talking in the stream properly now. Okay. Let me take a picture of this. There we go. Get a Discord. I entered that GJ trade in the 1 minute time frame with 3 minutes stop loss. Ease 15 pips today. Yes, sir. Wow, you got a very tight stop loss. Damn. Damn, boy. Make sure, guys, if you haven't liked the stream already, make sure to do it to get to 50 likes for the day. 50 likes for the stream. That would be amazing. We're growing every single day. But yeah, guys, if you've got like friends and stuff, make sure to message them about my stream. Yeah, make sure to come and join the fun for sure. That would really help me out. And then Monday, what are we looking for? Let's have a look at news then. Let's have a look at news. Let's have a look here. So Monday we have GBP bank holiday. Yes, I probably won't be streaming on Monday because bank holiday, not much volume. So yeah, be careful for that. Try not to trade in those days. Oh, well done. We've got 50 likes. Let's get a little clap. Woohoo! 50 likes. Let's go. Nice. 50 likes for the stream. Amazing. But yeah, as I said, you know, streaming, I won't be streaming on Monday because there's no point, because the volume's not there. But I'll be back on Tuesday for amazing stream. For sure, boy. By the way, do you know Jeff, aka Capital Hungry? I don't know him, and I actually don't follow him. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know anything about him. I just saw some guy trying to tell him off yesterday, which is quite interesting. So I don't know anything about him. I'm assuming he's a good trader though. I think he's got a big channel, doesn't he? Capital Hungry. Let's have a look here. Capital Hungry. Oh shit. Capital Hungry. Wow, 17,000. So smart guy. Wow, he sounds pretty cool. Cool, wicked. Really recommend him, everyone. Wow, let's take a look. For sure, crypto market analysis, amazing. So as I said here, guys, you know, we're closed back in the zone. We should fill this zone back up. So this is, you know, done down to the T really. Same with GJ and GA. There was no trade because we are in a clear range at this point. You can see. This is the range. Can't break above or below it, so you have to just wait very, very patiently for it. So what we're going to be doing for the rest of the day, probably waiting for another GJ buy, to be honest. So, you know, what you need to try and wait for GJ buys now is, you know, volume starts to cut off at this point, so it might range a little bit. But what normally happens at this point is price starts to come down, okay, make its top wicks, make its bottom wicks as well. Rest on support could be here, and then price starts coming back up like this, and then towards NY you may get a closure above like here, and then this will be a lovely candle to enter on the flip and then exceed. There you go. So this is the setup that I'll be looking for every single day. But yeah, you can see here now, hopefully my runner stays on, that'll be nice. But yeah, really, really solid. So yeah, let's see. Oh, what am I gonna watch? Oh, I'm gonna watch that thing today. I'm gonna watch this, what's it called? Traders, what's it called? Wait, BBC Traders. They're Insta Traders. I'm gonna watch this. 4 hour close above 900 would be just bliss. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was gonna say that whatever that is, like that
Uh-huh.
thing, and the Insta traders.
Yeah.
Man, that shit is so like cringe to watch,
Is it?
because like yeah, he just goes around and like purposefully like tries to put people on the spot and says that forex is fake and
Really?
I don't really make money. Yeah,
Shit, it's just kind of a bad representation, a bit of bias. That's what BBC
yeah,
is, though.
like yeah, he went around kind of like tricking the guys into just saying
Who did he
certain
who did he speak to?
Sam KB.
Yeah,
KB
yeah,
trader.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so he spoke to Sam from KB. He had he didn't speak to Mamba, but he had Mamba in there. I think
Shit.
he even had like Q Banks and
No.
Daniel Savage and all these guys on there.
Shit. Just talks about FTMO. The IM Academy. I know the IM Academy is a bit fucking bad,
Yeah.
isn't it? But apart from that, oh damn. Extra
Yeah,
cash.
he makes Forex look really bad in that.
Damn.
Yeah.
Not good, not good. I mean,
You should watch it.
you can see. I mean, you can. There's so many. You need to just learn who you like. I don't know. It's just like, what does people present to you? Like,
Mhm.
it's a skill. And I mean, if people don't like it, don't get it, then that's fine. But it's pretty obvious. I mean, if you actually think of the maths, it's just if you don't get the maths, then how are you gonna get it? Like, you just don't get it. It's just candles on the screen, and it doesn't really make any sense. But if you actually just do the maths and how if something's going the wrong way, you can start cutting out your losses. Therefore, your winners, if your winners are good, and then you can backtest with data and stuff like that. Like it's not too hard to get your head around. But I think people who are a bit dumb in the sense don't really get it, which is fair enough.
Yeah, facts. Like, and another thing too is like, it's like he spoke to people that probably aren't even profitable.
Mhm.
People that like don't even get up in the morning for real to trade.
Yeah.
They either take signals or, so it's like you're
Yeah.
not really talking to the right traders. You're talking to like a bunch of students, quote unquote, that
Yeah.
only take signals and don't care to learn.
Yeah, that's true, because I mean, if they fucking took down Raja, I mean, Raja could give him a good fucking review.
Yeah, like
He can be like,
there's so
yeah, I
many
can
traders.
literally show you my account. I've made fucking 600k this past year. These are all my
Yeah.
trades. Have fun looking at them.
Yeah, like
I know, it's
man,
mad.
they try their hardest to make people on Instagram look like forex trading is such a scam, or you don't really make money. I just think it's so funny, 'cause it's like it's right there.
Exactly. Yeah, I mean, yeah, especially for people who like a live stream, or people who do a Zoom. Like, you can't fake that. It's fucking live.
Facts. It's like you call out live trades and they still want you to like show them that you took, like, it's like what else do you want me to show you?
Yeah, I didn't fucking edit the video and say, I knew it was gonna happen. I'm fucking live streaming, bro. You can't lie on live stream. Like, fair enough, people who I know a lot of people, like, they do signals, but they do like 400 a day, so you have to work out the maths and see if you've actually made profit. Like, you know what I mean? Like, and then there'll be one where like they've gone, oh, you've just made 4,000 pips. It's like, okay, so all the other ones are probably losers. This one flew, and you can kind of manipulate it and say that you've made money. But apart from that, I mean, if you're doing it live, I mean. And then Daniel Savage says that Raja fixes trades. Well, yeah, but Daniel Savage is just trying to wind him up. I mean, how can he fake his trades when he literally does them live?
Yeah,
I mean, the only thing.
that was just because of the beef.
Yeah, exactly. But I don't even know where that beef came from. I knew it was gonna happen. To be honest, I could tell. They're just not similar people.
No, they're not. I feel like people really do pick a lot on Daniel Savage though, just because of the way he is. Like he does.
Yeah.
Like, he's not. He has a different kind of humor. It's not for everybody.
Yeah. I think Daniel Savage. I think I'm probably in the middle of them, to be honest. I think I think Daniel Savage is brought like a younger audience. He's fun. Raja's more obviously because they're older. Like, it's just different.
Yeah. Like, I
yeah.
was gonna say, like, I don't really believe in the, like, oh, if you're making money, like, if you're making money, like, spoil yourself, you know what I mean? Like, if you could afford it, and it's not like, you're going broke after having, a Lamborghini and a Cullinan.
Yeah.
Go ahead and do it for yourself. You don't gotta drive like a lower end car.
Yeah.
Or you know what what I mean?
I think so. I think the only reason why Roger and stuff don't really have the credit for Daniel is because Daniel doesn't actually have any. Daniel doesn't show people how to really manage money, unfortunately, because he doesn't have any property really. He doesn't have it. The cars he owns, you know, he finances them, which is completely fine. I mean, it's a marketing tool, and I'd probably do the same if I was making 140 grand a month on, you know, the signals and stuff. But I think that's the only reason what they didn't like, which is fair enough. But I think that just comes with age. I mean, like they've got like, you know, fucking Roger's got kids and shit, so like he's trying to make like fucking stuff for family. You know, Daniel Savage is just young, so yeah, it's.
To be fair, like with Daniel, sorry to cut you off, but to be fair with Daniel, like he, like, you should finance these kind of cars. You feel me? Like you shouldn't go out and buy them straight cash, like, because they depreciate.
Well, yeah, well, no, yeah, but what you do is you buy a second-hand one, when they've already gone past the depreciation. But that's just a different story. But yeah, I mean,
you know what I mean? So it's a lot you could go into, but you know, at the end of the day, I just feel like, you know, you shouldn't tell a man where to spend his money or what he should do with
yeah,
his money.
facts.
You know what I mean?
I think as well. I think he does them live, like he does the live Zoom. So that's my credit. I give people credit when they can do it live, like, you know, that's fucking.
Exactly.
So they all can. So I'm like, bro, I don't have beef with anyone. I only have beef with one person, but he probably wouldn't even know I have beef with him because I just hate his guts. But no, that's just a bit of fun, to be honest. But yeah, like everyone like who trades live, like respect, because not many people can trade live.
No, not many people can. It's difficult because, like, me, I like it because it's like it's just more pressure. It forces me to be disciplined.
Yeah, that's why I liked about it.
Yeah.
That's what I liked about it, because I have to explain every single thing I'm doing now. Whereas before, you know, sometimes I'd be like, oh yeah, I'm just taking this trade, and like, oh shit, no, what about the left hand side? Like, I like people going, oh look, what about the left hand side? And I go, yeah, but you know, I have to explain with the volume and shit. It's good.
In other words, you're more vocal about it, so like you hear yourself repeating things, and you're not just saying it in your head. Because when you're trading in your head, it's a different kind of feeling. Because sometimes you end up taking trades that you wouldn't ever take.
Yeah.
Because you're thinking in your head and you're not speaking it out loud.
Yeah, that's facts.
Yeah, I'm kind of like that.
Yeah, I do quite like doing that, to be honest. Can enter in GJ. Enter what? Enter what? Enter what? A sell or a buy? I don't know what you do. Let's look at the. There is no entry because for buys the time frames are bullish. The higher time frames are bullish, but you just had a gigantic 15-minute bearish rejection candle, which just closed back in this new range. So we should be falling back down here and actually hitting me out really. So there are no buys. Do not buy GJ, please. You exceeded though the 30-minute. The hourly is coming down. Yeah, there is no buys in GJ right now. If candles are red, don't buy. Hell no. Right, guys, let's just check here. So, gonna do a run through for what we're looking for NY before I head off. So you can see here, still waiting for 1807 level. There's quite a lot of resistance there as well. So yeah, gold's a bit rough. I'm not gonna lie, but 1807 probably better. Here for buys above. We got GJ. We have to see here because this is quite a big bearish candle coming down here. If you do exceed these lows, sells could come to fruition down here, which will be flipping the daily again and continuing the weekly. So yeah, we're looking for sells around about these areas, and then buys. Oh, God, wait for support to form and come back up maybe. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the stream. If you guys haven't liked already, make sure you like the stream, please. Like the stream. Get that up to 60 likes. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday, because Monday there'll be no stream because there is a bank holiday. But apart from that, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.
Peace out, chat.
Peace out, chat. Adios, amigos. See you later, guys.